Hello, this is Mr. Wyrick. I'm here to talk to you today about lesson 9.6. This is about dilations. We are changing the size of figures by multiplying it by a scale factor. So we've done this in a sense before, that we have multiplied by scale factors, but this time for a lot of it they're asking you to construct these, to draw these. So there's on page 672, you may want to take down some of the formulaic kind of stuff of how to get that done. We're changing the size of the figure. We are multiplying by k. So on this one I've done k is equal to 2. On this one I've done written in just k is equal to 1/2. Okay, so what I'm going to do, or what I would do in this case, is I'm going to draw a ray going through each of the points that I have. So I've got C going through L, M, and P here. And what I would do in this case, and I'm going to grab this measuring tape here. Okay, so if I've got my measuring tape, I measure C to L and it's 5. So I would go out to 10 and mark. And that's my L prime. I go from C to M, and that's like 9 1/4. So I would go to 18, or no, that's 9 1/8. So I'd go to 18 1/4, and I come out here. This is my M, and then my CP is 3 1/8. So I'm going to go to, and I don't have a very straight line here, so I'll have to kind of readjust my ray. But I'm going to go to 6 1/4 out here. So this is my new P. So then I would take a straight edge, hopefully, and draw these lines down through here, and here it is. So I've gone from this figure to this figure, which is twice as large. I haven't measured any of the sides. I'm just moving in that same direction. I'm dilating it out. Basically, this is the same thing that would happen on the coordinate plane. If this is my origin and the shape is here, I just extend by multiplying by that k value in each direction. Now on the other one, it's going to be just a little bit different. C to L here is 7, so at 3 1/2. Here's my new L. C to M is, we'll call it 12, so at 6. Here's my new M. And then C to P, and again, I would draw rays on this, but C to P is going to be about 4 1/2. So I'd go to 2 1/4. So this is my new LMP, and it is along the ray exactly, or as close to exact as we're going to get in this case, half of the size of this one. So I'm making a dilation. I'm multiplying by this k value. When I'm just drawing it, I don't have to actually multiply, but still, the size of each side, that's what's happening. It is being multiplied by that k value. So if I were to measure PL and come up with 6, then this one should be 3, which it is. Okay, and again, I'm doing some imprecise quick measurement. You're going to have a little bit more time to get this right in class. The other thing that's going to be on this lesson is, of course, working with the coordinate plane. You find your distance and apply that k value, or you find your individual points, you plot them, and you apply that k value. The same kind of thing is going to happen. If this is at 2, 2, and my k value is 2, it's going to be at 4, 4. I'm going to move it that distance from the origin. You're really lucky if you get a point that is the origin, because 0, 0 multiplied by anything is still going to be 0, 0. So that distance will double fairly simply. Today we're going to work through some of these. So we'll do We'll do 11 through 18, and then we'll do 21 through 32. We'll do 34 and 36, and we will stop there. Okay? If any of this doesn't make sense how we're doing it, make sure to come in, ask some questions about that. We will still go over, if we have not already, please remind me in class to go over the 27-week, the benchmark, because we need to cover some of that information again, and we'll see you in class.